Your boss stops by your desk and says, "Do you have a minute?" And suddenly your mind goes blank. You know the words, but they just won't come out.
That moment happens in every office, every day. The quick chat by the desk, the meeting where you want to speak up, the email you're not sure how to start.
So today, we're giving you the real English you need at work. The exact words for meetings, emails, phone calls, and everything in between. Let's begin.
Simple English Daily. Hey, come and learn a little every day.
Welcome back to Simple English Daily. Real, natural English made simple. I'm Kate.
And I'm Michael. And today's topic is one that so many of you have asked for. English for work.
Whether you work in an office, online, or with an international team, you need the right words to sound clear, polite, and professional. And that's exactly what we'll teach you today.
We'll go from your first good morning all the way to the end of the workday. And we've got a real conversation for you at the end, too.
And remember, say the words and phrases out loud with us. Don't just listen. That's how real learning happens.
All right, let's get to work.
So let's start right where the day starts. Walking in the door in the morning. Michael, what's the first thing you hear at the office?
Honestly, it's almost always, "Good morning. How was your weekend?" "Good morning. How was your weekend?" It's the classic Monday greeting. Example, "Good morning, Sarah. How was your weekend?"
Good morning. How was your weekend? And here's the key. Always return the question. A simple answer.
And a more casual version you'll hear all day, "How's it going?" "How's it going?" Example, "Hey, how's it going today?"
How's it going? And a very natural reply. Pretty good, thanks. Busy, but good. Busy, but good. You'll hear that one everywhere.
Every single day. And once the small talk is done, someone usually says, "Let's get started." Let's get started. That's your signal that work is beginning. Example, "Okay, everyone, let's get started."
Let's get started. Nice and simple.
So true. So let's talk about writing emails, because a few good phrases make you sound instantly professional. To open warmly, "I hope you're doing well." "I hope you're doing well." Example, "Hi, James. I hope you're doing well."
I hope you're doing well. And then you say why you're writing. I'm writing to ask about. I'm writing to ask about. Example, I'm writing to ask about the project deadline.
I'm writing to ask about. And when you send a file with it, please find attached. Please find attached. Example, please find attached the report you requested.
Please find attached. And to make a polite request, this is the magic phrase. Could you please? Could you please? Example, could you please send me the details by Friday?
Could you please? So polite, so useful. And a warm way to close. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions. Example, let me know if you have any questions. Best, Michael.
Let me know if you have any questions. And one more you'll use constantly. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. It means you'll reply later with an answer. Example, great question. I'll get back to you this afternoon.
I'll get back to you. Love it. Okay, emails are done. But at some point, they'll pull you into a meeting.
And meetings, This is where a lot of learners freeze up. So let's fix that. To kick a meeting off, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Example, okay, thanks for joining, everyone. Let's begin. Thanks for joining. And when you want to share your opinion with confidence, I think we should. I think we should. Example, I think we should focus on the deadline first. I think we should. And to agree with a coworker, that's a good point. That's a good point. Example, that's a good point, Sarah. I agree.
That's a good point. And here's a really polite way to disagree. I see what you mean, but. I see what you mean, but. It softens things nicely. Example, I see what you mean, but I think there's another option.
I see what you mean, but. So much kinder than just saying no. And never be afraid to ask when you're lost. Could you clarify that? Could you clarify that? Example, sorry, could you clarify that last point?
Could you clarify that? Asking is a strength, not a weakness. And to finish a meeting, let's wrap up. Let's wrap up. Wrap up just means to finish. Example, okay, let's wrap up. Thanks, everyone.
Let's wrap up. Now, meetings aside, so much of work is just talking to the people around you. Your boss, your coworkers.
Right, the everyday stuff. So when you need someone's time, do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Example, hi, do you have a minute to talk?
Do you have a minute? And to offer help. Do you need a hand? Do you need a hand? A hand just means help. Example, that looks heavy. Do you need a hand? Do you need a hand? And when your boss asks about a task, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. It means it's in progress. Example, don't worry. I'm working on it right now. I'm working on it. And when you're nearly finished, it's almost done. It's almost done. Example, the report is almost done. I'll send it by noon.
It's almost done. And if you need more time, ask politely. Could I have a bit more time? Could I have a bit more time? Example, this one's tricky. Could I have a bit more time?
Could I have a bit more time? And never forget this one. Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help. Now, not everything happens face to face. Sometimes the phone rings.
And the phone has its own little set of phrases. To answer professionally, hello, this is Kate speaking. Hello, this is Kate speaking. Example, hello, this is Kate speaking. How can I help?
This is Kate speaking. And to find out who's calling, may I ask who's calling? May I ask who's calling? Example, may I ask who's calling, please?
May I ask who's calling? And to connect them to someone else, I'll put you through. I'll put you through. Example, one moment, I'll put you through. And when the person they want isn't there, can I take a message? Can I take a message? Example, she's not at her desk. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? And to end the call warmly. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Example, thanks for calling. Have a great day.
Thanks for calling. Perfect. Okay, Kate, before we practice, let's give them a few phrases that just make you sound natural at work.
Yes, these are the ones that make you sound fluent. First, to be on the same page. To be on the same page. It means everyone understands and agrees. Example, let's make sure we're all on the same.
On the same page. And a great one, to touch base. To touch base. It means to check in briefly with someone. Example, let's touch base tomorrow morning.
To touch base. And to keep someone informed. To keep someone in the loop. To keep someone in the loop. Example, please keep me in the loop on this project.
Keep me in the loop. And a word you'll hear every day, a deadline. A deadline. It's the date something must be finished. Example, the deadline is this Friday.
A deadline. And to warn someone in advance. To give someone a heads up. To give someone a heads up. Example, just a heads up, the meeting moved to 3 o'clock.
A heads up. And my favorite at the end of a long day. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. It means to stop working for the day. Example, good work, everyone. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day. Love it. Okay, now let's put all of this together in one real conversation.
Great idea. Let's listen to two coworkers on a Monday morning. See how many of today's phrases you can catch. Here we go. Morning, Kate. How was your weekend?
Morning. It was great, thanks. Busy, but good. How about yours?
Pretty good, thanks. Hey, do you have a minute?
Of course. What's up?
I just wanted to touch base about the report. How's it going?
It's almost done, actually. I'll send it before the deadline on Friday.
Perfect. Could you please keep me in the loop if anything changes?
Absolutely. And just a heads up, the team meeting moved to 3 o'clock.
Oh, thanks for letting me know. Good thing we're on the same page.
Exactly. Okay, I should get started. Let's touch base after the meeting.
Sounds good. Thanks for your help, Kate.
Anytime. Talk soon. Let's break that down. Did you catch them all? How was your weekend? The morning greeting. Busy but good. A natural answer. Do you have a minute? Asking for time. Touch base. Checking in. How's it going? Asking about progress. It's almost done. Nearly finished. The deadline. The finish date. Keep me in the loop. Stay informed. A heads up. A warning in advance. On the same page. Everyone agrees. Get started. Begin work. Thanks for your help. Showing appreciation.
So natural, right? None of it felt forced. It just flowed.
That's the goal. When you learn the right phrases, conversation flows. You're not translating. You're just talking. And that's real fluency.
Now try this. Go back and listen to that conversation one more time. Pause after each line and say it out loud. Match the pace and the tone. This is called shadowing, one of the most powerful ways to improve your spoken English.
All right, let's do a quick recap.
Starting the day. Good morning. How was your weekend? How's it going? Let's get started.
Emails. I hope you're doing well. Please find attached. Could you please? Let me know if you have any questions. I'll get back to you.
Meetings. Thanks for joining. I think we should. That's a good point. I see what you mean, but could you clarify that? Phone calls. This is Kate speaking. May I ask who's calling? I'll put you through. Can I take a message? Thanks for calling.
And everyday phrases. On the same page. Touch base. Keep me in the loop. A deadline. A heads up. Let's call it a day.
That's a complete toolkit for English at work. And here's your homework this week. Use at least 3 of these phrases at work, in an email, a message, or out loud.
We're so proud of you for spending this time with us today.
If today's episode helped you, share it with a coworker who's also learning English, and subscribe to Simple English Daily for new episodes every week.
Real English, slow English, practical English, for real people. That's what we do here.
Until next time, keep practicing and go have a great day at work.
You've got this. Bye for now.
Simple English Daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.